In this video, we demonstrate how to repair metal loss on tanks and vessels using Belzona 1161, 100% solids paste-grade epoxy, and Belzona 9341, cross-woven polyester reinforcing tape. This system creates a reinforced composite patch that provides additional rigidity and strengthens the weakened wall defects. Locate the defect and mark off the damaged area. Using a suitable power tool, prepare the repair area to SP11 cleanliness level to achieve a clean and roughened surface, ideal for a strong bond between the paste-grade material and the substrate. Belzona 1161 is a two-component surface-tolerant paste-grade system for repairing and rebuilding metal loss on machinery and equipment. Transfer the required amount of material onto a Belzona working surface, following the mixing ratio of 2 parts base to 1 part solidifier by volume. Thoroughly mix all the parts in a figure-8 motion until a uniform color and streakiness-free consistency are achieved. Wash down the repair area with Belzona 9111 Cleaner Degreaser or any other approved cleaner degreaser in order to remove all dirt, grease, and surface contaminants. Using masking tape, mask off the repair area. Once the paste-grade material is mixed, apply a thin layer of the material to the repair area, pushing it well into the prepared profile. This will help to create a strong bond between the repair material and the substrate. Next, wet out the pre-measured reinforcement tape with Belzona 1161. Apply the tape to the repair, covering the entire area. Be sure to apply the tape with at least 50% overlap to provide a strong and durable repair. Smooth out the applied product and apply the second layer of pre-measured tape in the same manner as the first one. After applying both layers, overcoat the repair area with additional Belzona 1161. This will help to encapsulate the repair and provide additional protection against corrosion and other forms of damage. Inspect the repair area to make sure the tape is fully encapsulated, with no creases or valleys. Ensure that the repair ends at the prepared substrate. After completing the repair, be sure to allow it to cure according to the manufacturer's instructions for use. Now that the repair is complete, it should be overcoated with a protective coating or a finish paint, as desired or required by the customer. Always consult your Belzona representative to discuss alternative Belzona paste-grade materials fit for your service conditions.